Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix falling back panel of your back seats in BMW Z4 E85. As you can see, mine is broken. We're going to use adhesive Velcro, one like this. Okie dokie, we're going to put the Velcro right here and maybe a little bit on the sides. So Velcro is ready. I put it together. Now I'm gonna stick it in. Okay, so it's ready. And we're gonna stick the Velcro to the back of the seat and hopefully it's gonna hold everything together. As you can see, I'm doing right now. And as you can see, there's no big gaps. Everything holds together. Nice and strong hold. I'm really satisfied with that. And I believe that will hold for really long time, hopefully forever. Okay guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you. And thank you for watching. And take care, and I wish you all the best of luck with fixing your BMW. Take care, bye bye.